Siouxland weather with Chief Meteorologist Chad Sandwell.
Really cooled off out there, didn't it?
It really did, and of course the winds didn't make it any better today because those winds at times gusted up to 40 miles an hour, especially early in the day, making it feel a lot colder than it was, and then our temperatures really didn't move all day. So definitely a lot different than what we've seen over the last 3 weeks. Take a look at our Skywatch camera from Dakota Dunes. The view brought to you by Liberty National Bank. Still a little bit of traffic out there this evening as our skies are slowly clearing out, and with clear skies and lighter winds tonight, temperatures expected to dip back into the teens, and we haven't seen that for quite a while. Take a look at our extended forecast. Temperatures back into the low 40s tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. That's going to be the best we can do over the next 7 days. Temperatures actually trending downward through the weekend. 34 on Saturday. We'll see a little bit of light snow Saturday night into Sunday, and then another chance of snow for early next week, Monday night to Tuesday. Temperatures bouncing in between the 20s and the 30s, and we'll probably even see a couple of mornings where we'll have single-digit lows. So definitely going to feel a little bit more like February than it has late January here across the region. There's a look at the satellite imagery. Some cloud cover from late this afternoon has slowly been kind of shrinking and slowly clearing out. Again, as we head through the overnight hours, that cloud cover will continue to dissipate. High pressure and control, so as we work our way through the night tonight, there's that cloud cover really thins out by morning, and the winds start turning around to the northeast and eventually the east. It'll be a light wind, so with clear skies, temperatures are going to drop pretty quickly overnight. By tomorrow afternoon, we'll see that warm front push through. Winds will turn around to the south, and that usually means a little bit warmer conditions for us, so even after a chilly start, we'll see temperatures into the 40s. By Saturday morning, our next cold front starts to move through. Cloud cover will pick up a bit. Plenty of moisture down to the south, so if you may be heading to Kansas City or maybe some of the areas to the south along I-29 and I-35, going to be looking at some rain, maybe changing over to snow Saturday night into Sunday. For us, as we head towards about 9:15, still dry, but we are expecting the moisture to pick up through the overnight hours and into early Sunday. Temperature-wise, right now in Sioux City, 30 degrees. We've got mostly cloudy skies at the moment. North winds are at 13 miles an hour, and our relative humidity currently sitting at about 69%. Temperature-wise, 27 in Lamar's, Sheldon, Spencer, and Storm Lake at 23, while Wayne's at 24, and Yankton checking in at 25. And the winds, after gusting up close to 40 earlier today, they've kind of settled down a little bit, still looking at a north wind anywhere from about 5 to 15 miles an hour. That brings us to our forecast for tonight, where we expect a mostly clear and chilly night. 16 degrees the overnight lows, looking for northeast winds about 3 to 5 miles an hour. Tomorrow, partly to mostly sunny skies, a very mild afternoon. Our high temperature tops out at 43 degrees with south winds at 10 to 15. There is a look at your extended forecast. If you don't remember where your winter jackets are, I would suggest you find them. 20s for highs to close out the weekend, and we'll probably see a few of those snowflakes flying before the weekend is done.
All right. Thank you very much, Chad.
Siouxland weather with Chief Meteorologist Chad Sandwell.
So earlier, Chad said he's going to make it snow, so we had a little bit of a Twitter argument over this.
A little bit.
I'm not ready.
But I'm going to win.
I know you are. You really are.
So it doesn't matter if you're ready or not. Let's go ahead and take a look outside. Here's a look at our Skywatch camera from downtown Sioux City. Plenty of traffic out there, maybe folks getting some of those last-minute errands in before the chances of snow pick up through the night tonight and especially Saturday into Sunday. That's when we really expect those snows to start cranking up. Our extended forecast is brought to you by Baumgars, and there it is. As plain as the eye can see, snow on Saturday, also into Sunday. Temperatures going to be crashing over the weekend. 21 is going to be at midnight on Sunday. By the time the Super Bowl kicks off, we'll be down into the single digits, and temperatures don't warm up a whole lot, certainly not into the 40s or 50s like we saw this week. Isolated snow chances Monday night, also Tuesday night into Wednesday. And temperatures back into the single digits as we head towards the middle and end of next week. Satellite imagery over the last several hours has started to see the cloud cover picking up from the southwest, and that is the moisture slowly starting to increase across the area. That's the first ingredient we need. The next is the cold air, and that's going to be here during the day on Saturday. Still a little bit of a warm front that will continue to kick off to the east, so when you wake up 7 to 7:30 tomorrow morning, you see the cold front getting ready to blast through the area, and as it does, we head into the early afternoon where maybe by 2:30 or 3 we already start to see a little bit of light snow showing up, and that snow in some shape or fashion going to be pretty much across the entire area, not only for Saturday afternoon but into Saturday night. Here's a look at 10 o'clock tomorrow evening. Yankton to Hardington, Sioux City, Sioux Center, Sibley, just about the entire area. Heaviest snows I still think are going to be to the east of Sioux City, but you can see those snows continue on into early Sunday before they do finally start to taper off late Sunday night and then eventually into Monday, where we may see a chance to pick up another maybe quarter to half inch Monday afternoon into the evening. But in the meantime, here's a look at those snowfall accumulations, and this is where the Twitter war began. You can see it here, anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches of snow. That's through 9 o'clock Sunday, and as I just said, maybe another 1/4 to 1/2 inch of snow for the day on Monday. So again, it's been a while since we've seen it, but it does look like it's coming in full force over the weekend. Right now in Sioux City, we're at 31 degrees under mostly clear skies, south-southeast winds at 8 miles an hour. That cloud cover starting to pick up, and as we head through the overnight hours, we'll be calling for mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures around 29 degrees, south winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. But as we head through the day on Saturday, temperatures topping out at 36 degrees, overcast skies, and those snows likely to start, and will continue with odd chances of snow as we head through the beginning of next week.